Hello and welcome in class 3, new chapter 6 named fraction. What is fraction? I explain here in 4 parts. Whole. What is the whole? If I make here of one full circle, this is one whole. We say this as one whole because this is the full part, never divided between or from any other portion. Okay, so this is the one whole circle. And if I made here a circle and divide it from the between as vertical or horizontal, you can divide, then this is the half. Half means 1 by 2 because the circle is divided in 2 parts, and here this is the half part can be said as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 this and 1 by 2, and if you add this both you can make as one whole. Okay, so when a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, when a whole is divided in 2 equal parts, is known as half. One by 2. Okay. What is 1/3? Suppose here I make a circle again and I divide it in this way as 3 parts. So each part can be said as 1 by 3 because here I divide this circle in 3 total parts and each part is 1 by 3. When a whole is divided into 3 equal parts, just see 3 equal parts must be added. Parts, each part called 1/3 as word and as a fraction 1 by 3. Okay, 1/4. What does it mean 1/4? Suppose I again made a circle and divide it from vertical and again then horizontally. Okay, this is the 4 parts of the one whole circle. Then each part can be said as 1 by 4, or you can also be said as quarter. Quarterly divided. Quarterly divided as one when a whole is divided in 4 equal parts, it called as 1/4 as fraction 1 by 4. Okay. More about quarters. Quarter means a one whole is divided into 4 equal parts, na? So that is 1/4. So one part is of 4 equal parts is shaded. Here 1 quarter. If 2 parts of 4 equal parts are shaded, so 2 by 4, 2 quarters हो गया. 3 parts of 4 equal parts are shaded, so 3 by 4, it's 3 quarter. All the 4 equal parts are shaded, it means one whole is shaded. 4 by 4 is equal to one whole, 4 quarters. Okay, just complete the get set go. Color each shape for the given fraction. Color each shape for the given fraction. 1 by 4 here says, and then after shade the part as number showing in numerator is 1, and do not shade the 3 parts out of 4. Then here total number of parts 3, which is in denominator shows, and 1 part we have to be shade here. Okay, then after see here half part is shaded from the one whole. Here total 4 parts and we have to shade only one part, any which you want. Write the fraction for the shaded part as 1 by 3 because total 3 parts and 1 part is shaded, so shaded portion 1 by 3. Here 2 parts, so 1 by 2. 4 parts and 1 shaded, so 1 by 4. 1 parts out of 4, so 1 by 4. Exercise 6a, tick the shapes that are shaded 3 by 4. So which of the figure shows the portion shaded as 3 by 4? Tick that. 3 by 4, this shows 2 by 4. This figure shows 3 by 4. So tick it. This shows 2 by 4. Do not tick. This shows 3 by 4. यहाँ पे हमें tick यहाँ पे करना है. Okay. Okay. There is 3 by 4. Then tick here. There is 2 by 4. Means 1 by 2. Okay. So do not tick it. Here 3 by 4 na. So just tick it. Now here shade 1 by 4 of each shape. Here total 4 parts and shade the 1 part. Total 4, 1 part shade 4 and shade only 1. On page number 67, here reading and writing fraction. Total number of parts 5. Shaded number of parts 2. So shaded portion is 2 by 5th called as 2/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 rows and number of parts of this rectangular 8 by dividing between, and here 2 rows of 4 boxes, so 3 boxes are shaded out of 8, so 3 by 8 as 3/8 is shaded. Exercise 6b, write the fraction for each of the following. Here as the what fraction shows 5/8. 5/8 as fraction 5 by 8. 4/10, 4 by 10. Okay, and you can also in least term 2 by 5. Just 9/10, 9 by 10. 3 by 4, 3/4. 2/10, 2 by 10th and least term 1 by 5 हो सकता है इसका. How can, if you divide 2 you get the 1 and you divide 10 you get 5, so 1 by 5 in least term. ठीक है, तो बहुत इक्वल हो जाता है हमारा. 2/3, तो यहाँ पे दोनों क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आंसर राइट होंगे हमारे. 2/3, 2 by 3, 1/3, 1 by 3. Write the name for each fraction. 1/4, 2 by 3, 2/3, 3/5, 2/7, 4/7, 6/10. Make a dash between these two words. 3/8, EIGHTS. Okay, 3/8 THS. Okay, 2/10, 2/10. Let's make here. Okay, just here see the more about fraction. 4 parts of this rectangular shape and shaded part is 1 by 4 because 1 part is shaded and 4 parts, or total number of parts is 4. And if asked for unshaded part, that is 3 parts are unshaded out of 4, so 3 by 4 is the fractional number. Shaded part in this 2 out of 5, so 2 by 5, and unshaded part is 3 out of 5, so 3 by 5. Shaded part in this figure out of 6, 3 by 6, and unshaded part is 3 by 6. Shaded part here 5 out of 7, so 5 by 7, and unshaded part is 2 out of 7, so 2 by 7. shaded part here 7 out of 8, so 7 by 8. Unshaded part is 1 out of 8, so 1 by 8. Shaded part here 8 out of 9, so 8 by 9, and unshaded part is 1 out of 9, so 1 by 9 unshaded part. Here 9 parts are shaded out of 10, and one part is left out of 10, so this is unshaded, and write as 1 by 10th unshaded part.